Hi, today I'm going to talk about HTML tags. Okay, HTML tag. Right. So, for example, I want to do in WordPress HTML tag. Maybe I want to do promo code. Promo code. So I'm using a classic editor of the WordPress classic editor. You can take a look at my classic editor uh, YouTube video to see how to get this classic editor view. So I'm going to do a promotion like get 20% off now. Subscribe now if you sign up. Okay, so something like that. Okay, um, and then I'm going to change it to maybe this is a header too. And then let's to get the HTML code. The code here is actually this H2, H2, H2 open bracket, H2 close bracket, then my tags followed by open bracket backslash H2 close bracket. Okay, so that's the HTML code thing of any website actually. Yeah, you can do your own coding here. You can write your own code here. So yeah, I can just put like H3, H1. Yeah. So basically that by now and then followed by backslash H1. H1 is actually a bigger font. I'm going to put this at the top. There you go. You see this? If you know coding, this is how to do the HTML codes. Okay, HTML code. So that, and I can actually do a division class as well to identify that this is actually a promo offer. Okay, I can actually uh, put here. Okay, put here division class. Just put here division class. Okay, division class. Equals to promo code. Okay, equals to promo code. This one should be like that. Okay, division class equals to promo code. Mm, and then I will close it. Okay, close it. Yeah. Okay, it's just for your own reference. There's this class code for promo code when you search through your codes. Okay, yeah, division class promo code. Uh, yeah, and then you can publish and preview your code. Okay, that's for the HTML way lah. Now with the WordPress class editor, I don't really need a code, but I'm just showing you if you want coding, you can using here under the code sections here. Do your own code here. Okay, right? If you find this video useful, Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.